Okay, so we just received our advanced copy of Loving 2, straight from Milan. Came this afternoon, and we're going to open it up and do an unveiling.
Kind of exciting.
We've seen the PDF version of it, but this is the first time we've seen the bound book copy.
Actually, it's very exciting. And it's packed pretty good.
Oh, more tape. Here, I'll let you
Uh,
do the honors.
Hold on, let's do it this way. I don't want to cut the book.
And, oh wow, here it is.
Take that. More tape.
And bubble wrap. Yeah. This thing is indestructible.
Anticipation. So this is just the,
Is this the limited edition?
this is, I don't know, we'll have to see if this is a limited edition. So the books are all on a boat headed this way. They should be arriving mid-September. They'll start shipping out to retailers in mid-September, but the date for the launch is
October 14th, which is, go ahead,
yeah, okay.
5 years to the day since the launch of Loving 1.
Just happened to be that the distributor only launched, or our distributor in the U.S. only launches on Tuesdays, and that Tuesday is the exact day we launched the book 5 years ago.
And I think we'll be doing a book signing tour through California starting on the 14th, or?
We
Is
think
it- yeah.
more to come. We'll be putting a notice on all our social media saying what it is. So you're seeing it as we see
Oh
it.
yeah, here we go. Ooh, the cover. This is exciting. Oh, shrink wrap.
There's the cover.
Let's see what they did with the front. With the
And-
front, they said they were going to do a sticker. Yeah.
So it says,
Loving 2, after the great success of Loving, a new selection of unpublished photographs. Oh, I like the wording.
so
on that.
nice sticker. And then on the back, it has some of the photos that I'm going to do this so you can't really see.
You can
That
see,
will
it's
be
all right.
in.
It's all right.
And then, so we're going to open it.
Looks beautiful. We need to relish the cover a little bit more.
We will.
Oh,
Here. I used to be really good at this.
hold it.
Here, this is where it is. And I know that y'all just love that it's taken us this long to open this book
Yeah.
for our video. And we're not going to edit it because we don't know how. But we will. I guess we're gonna give you a sneak preview of one photo that's in it. Is that what you want to do, honey?
Well, a few, yeah. Neil and I had a very large role in the design of this edition. After the first one, we figured out, how it was, somewhat how it was done, and we had a lot of input. And one of the things we had to really work to convince our publisher of was to open the book. Go ahead and take the shrink wrap away.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it to protect it.
Oh, okay. Is to convince our publisher to open the book with a double page, which is unheard of. And here is that double page. That's the essay, and there it is. This is the first thing you see when you look into the book. It's just a beautiful photograph with tone and mood. And they're looking at us as if to invite us into the rest of the book, is the way we see it.
So we're really excited.
Oh, it's beautiful.
to-
Wow.
Yeah, the coloration, 4-color. They pulled it off beautifully. So this is the retail. Yeah, this is the retail edition.
Oh, let's read the little, okay, so we put in a one stanza of a photograph, one stanza of a poem by James Elroy Flecker. It's called The Sentimentalist. It's the first stanza, and here it goes like this. There lies a photograph of you deep in a box of broken things. This was the face I loved and knew years ago when life had wings. Isn't that beautiful?
That's pretty cool. So we can't show you really what's in here,
Yes, we can.
but
Let's
we're just teased
let's do
a little
couple
bit.
highlights. Let's do a couple of highlights.
Okay.
Come on.
No.
Yeah, okay, not that one. Well, we
Oh,
can
oh,
say,
wait,
yeah,
wait,
let's
not
do
that one.
Let's do show that one. Let's show it and explain it.
Okay.
So we fought to have this photograph in the first book, and we were overruled, but this time we didn't take no for an answer, and so here it is. It's a German photograph, and it's just gorgeous.
It's probably one of my top 5, and I'm so happy that it's
Just
in this
you?
book. Huh? Well, mine. I mean, we both have our different photographs that we like, you know. So is it in
yeah.
your top 5?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't want to give away.
Oh, wait,
that.
no, let's show that. No,
don't,
let's do.
Don't give
let's,
away.
no,
Don't give away.
yeah.
No. It's
No.
a secret.
No, it's not. I mean, it is a secret.
This is
but
a secret.
No, we don't. We're not going to say what it's. We're going to show them what it says. Howard, do you want to do the other one? And then do you want
No,
that one?
no,
Yes.
no.
Okay, listen.
We'll do it later. We'll tease. We'll tease another
no,
time.
listen to me. It only reveals one, and
Do you know where it is?
No, we just got the book. So what we did, while he's looking for it, what we did, and we did a few different things in this volume. And one of the things that is different is that on a few occasions when there was an interesting inscription on the front or the back of a photograph, we included it as an image, or just if it's on the front of the photograph, we just included the entire photograph so you can see the inscriptions. Oh, that wasn't it. And one of the ones, oh, here it is. Yeah, okay. So show the picture first. And oh, here, let me take this. Here's the photograph.
Okay. Then do you want me to? Do you want to
And
read
yeah,
it?
now show the inscription. I have it memorized. Dandy Uncle Declan and his boy homosexual. Isn't that
So,
fantastic? Taken around.
I don't know if they're gay or not, but
Oh yeah. Dandy Uncle Declan and his boy homosexual.
so that's just one of the few different directions we took in this book to make it different from the last book. And so we're really excited for people that don't know. I'll jump this in because I know people have already probably quit watching by now, but we do have the limited edition signed and numbered dedicated that we're selling on our website, loving1000.org.
Did you check to see if this was one of those?
Yes.
It's not, or it is?
Again, so we're
Just
selling
answer
the
my
we're
question.
selling. No, it's not.
Okay.
We're selling the limited edition, so you can order. It's a number. It's in different levels that you can participate, and it's a numbered, signed, dedicated to you. Those will ship 1 month prior to the launch of this book, so mid-September, and then the retail version will launch on October 14th.
That's this one,
which
retail.
is this one. So the front.
The limited edition and the retail edition are exactly the same, with the exception of the opening where there's a numbering system at the bottom, which will denote which volume you purchased, which number copy. It's one. Did you say 1 through 1,000?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the only photos that are repeated in this book are the front cover and the back cover. All the 300 plus photographs in between the covers are never before published photos
Let's show a few
from
more